Hey everyone, we're back with another exciting update from BibCit. That is direct document download feature. Getting started is simple. First, install the BibCit web extension in your browser. Search Markdown Capturer by BibCit in the search bar and click on the Markdown Capturer by BibCit result, and you'll be redirected to the BibCit installation page. From here, click Install from Chrome Web Store. The Add to Chrome button will appear. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Add Extension to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the Extensions menu at the top right corner of your browser. Pin BibCit Markdown Capturer by clicking the pin icon next to it so that it can stay visible on your toolbar. Now you can see the BibCit Markdown Capturer extension clearly visible at the top right corner of your browser toolbar, ready to use whenever you need it. The extension currently supports ChatGPT, Gemini, and NotebookLM. Now, let's open ChatGPT and generate some content. Simply enter your prompt and let ChatGPT create the response. Once the content is generated, click on the BibCit extension in your browser toolbar. You'll see that the Markdown has already been captured automatically, along with download options for your document. Simply click the BibCit download button and choose your preferred format, doc or PDF. I'm going to download the document in Word format first. Save the doc file to your preferred location. Once the document is downloaded, let's open it and take a closer look. As you can see, the formatting has been preserved perfectly throughout the document. The headings are properly structured, the content is well organized, and the overall layout looks clean, professional, and ready to use. There's no need to spend time fixing formatting issues after exporting content from AI. Now, let's try the PDF option. Simply return to the BibCit extension and select PDF as the download format. Within seconds, your content is converted into a professional PDF document. Just like the Word document, the formatting, structure, and layout have been preserved beautifully, making it ready for sharing, printing, or submission. You can also download documents directly from individual AI responses. Simply click the download option and export your content as a DOCX or PDF file. The best part! You can export your responses completely free, no login required, no payment required, and enjoy unlimited free exports for files under 5 KB. With a single click, your document is downloaded instantly. Simply open the file and your content is ready to use, with formatting, headings, and structure preserved. You can edit if required. Let's generate a detailed response with larger contents that exceeds the free 5 KB export limit. That can comprehensive reports, research papers, and long-form content. You may occasionally generate responses. When you try to download the document, BibCit will notify you that the content is too large for the free plan and requires a BibCit API key. To unlock larger exports, open the BibCit extension settings. There, you'll see that a BibCit API key is required to export documents exceeding the free 5 KB limit. To get your API key, simply log in or sign up for a BibCit account and verify your email address. After signing up, navigate to My Dashboard and open the Payment section. Here, you'll see the option to claim your free credits. To activate them, click Send Verification Email. a verification link will be sent to your registered email address. Open the email and complete the verification process. Once your email is verified, your account will automatically receive 5 free credits, no purchase required. Now head over to My Profile section and click on Generate API Key. Once the key is created, you'll receive a confirmation that your API key has been generated successfully. Copy the API key and return to the BibCit extension settings. Paste the key into the API key field and save your settings. With the setup complete, go back to your AI response and download the document again. This time, you'll be able to export the content successfully, even if it exceeds the free 5 kilobytes limit. As you can see, the content is preserved exactly as generated, including headings, formatting, tables, and document structure. Now let's export multiple responses into a single document as a Word or PDF file. We'll start by generating multiple AI responses for different prompts. Whether it's reports, essays, research content, mathematical equations, tables, or technical documentation. As each response is created, BibCit automatically captures and stores it in the message center. Simply open the BibCit extension and navigate to the Captured Messages section. Select the responses you want to include in your document. In this example, I have selected for responses. Next, click the Export button and choose either Doc or PDF. BibCit will automatically combine all selected responses into a single professionally formatted document. Once the download is complete, open the file to review the results. As you can see, all selected responses have been merged into one document with formatting, headings, tables, equations, and structure preserved throughout. And because the document is exported as a standard Word file, you can still make edits, add content, or customize it further whenever required.